New comprehensive tutorial series on mastering photo editing. Gone are the days when you had to be a professional to edit photos. With the right tools and guidance, you too can transform your average shots into extraordinary ones. In this series, we will take you through step by step, from the basics of photo editing to advanced techniques. No prior knowledge? No problem. We're starting from the ground up. We'll explore the ins and outs of popular editing tools like Photoshop and Lightroom, understand their features, and how to use them effectively to enhance your photos. Whether you want to correct colors, retouch portraits, or create stunning visual effects, we've got you covered. This series is your key to unlocking a whole new world of photography. So, grab your photos, and let's jump right in. Remember, every great photographer was once a beginner. It's never too late to start your journey. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. Let's make magic happen together.